English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Hotel check-in English conversation 50. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. Welcome to our hotel. Welcome to our hotel. Welcome to our hotel. Welcome to our hotel. My name is Tanaka. My name is Tanaka. My name is Tanaka. My name is Tanaka. I will check. I will check. I will check. I will check. One night stay. One night stay. One night stay. One night stay. I found it. I found it. I found it. I found it. Here is my passport. Here is my passport. Here is my passport. Here is my passport. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Yes, it is included. Yes, it is included. Yes, it is included. Yes, it is included. What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? From 7 o'clock. From 7 o'clock. From 7 o'clock. From 7 o'clock. Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? It is free. It is free. It is free. It is free. What is the password? What is the password? What is the password? What is the password? Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Which floor? Which floor? Which floor? Which floor? Third floor. Third floor. Third floor. Third floor. Is there an elevator? Is there an elevator? Is there an elevator? Is there an elevator? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Can I leave my bags? 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 Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. What time is checkout? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Can it be later? Can it be later? Can it be later? Can it be later? 1 hour later, okay. 1 hour later, okay. 1 hour later, okay. 1 hour later, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Here is your key. Here is your key. Here is your key. Here is your key. Is it a card key? 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 Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What is the room number? 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 Room 305. Room 305. Room 305. Room 305. Are there towels? Are there towels? Are there towels? Are there towels? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Is there water? Is there water? Is there water? Is there water? 2 bottles. 2 bottles. 2 bottles. 2 bottles. If you need help. If you need help. If you need help. If you need help. Call the front desk. Call the front desk. Call the front desk. Call the front desk. I understand. I understand. I understand. I understand. Enjoy your stay. Enjoy your stay. Enjoy your stay. Enjoy your stay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I will go now. I will go now. I will go now. I will go now. Please relax. Please relax. Please relax. Please relax. See you later. See you later. See you later. See you later. Thank you for your help. 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 Thank you too. Thank you too. Thank you too. Thank you too. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.